Hey my love stones, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another DIY video. Today I am going to do a half up, half down Bantu knot style to the top and a ponytail in the back. I am now working on getting my hair parted straight across. Y'all, it was a time trying to get this part to go straight across. Before I started doing anything to my hair, I did go in and do a small end trim because I want to keep my ends healthy. I want to keep my hair growing. As you can see in the video, it is growing and I am so excited. So yes, y'all, look, I had to take my old school mirror. I had to face the mirror, turn around and get that part straight, y'all. It's not as perfect as I want it to be, but it's straight enough. I'm now going to go ahead and part my hair into the 4 sections for the Bantu knots to go across the top of my head. And here I'm going to just section off each section so that the hair could stay in place while I'm doing the other Bantu knots. In this video today, I am using braid gel to sleek my sections down for a nice, smooth, and sleek look. I'm going to comb my edges out the way. These are the edges that I'm going to leave out. So as you can see, I'm sleeking it down, and I am going to rubber band each section. I wanted to do a two-tone color in this video, so I am going to use my gray organique hair. I'm going to place that first, and then I'm going to go in with the black to give it a mixed look. So you want to tie your hair up in the back, put a rubber band around it. I'm going to take edge wrap paper and wrap around my hair so that glue won't touch my hair. Make sure you're brushing through your hair so it won't tangle. Wrap the ponytail up and out the way because we are going to take the little piece that's hanging and wrap around the base of the ponytail for security. And make sure you're using Got To Be spray. You can also use spritz, which holds it really well, but I didn't have any spritz in the video, so I'm just going to use my Got To Be spray. And just make sure you're spraying and blow drying so that it can stay. Again, here you want to brush through your hair because this hair is not human hair, it's a more synthetic fiber, so you want to make sure that you keep your hair brushed out. And at night, I would suggest that you take it and just wrap it into like a 2-strand twist braid and just wrap it around and tie it up in your bonnet to keep it from tangling overnight. On the front section, I just 2-strand twist it. I'm going to wrap around for my base. I'm going to rubber band it, and then I'm going to put my edge wrap around, and I'm going to glue it to make sure that glue don't touch my hair. Begin to wrap your track around on the hair tie. I am using 100% human hair, water wave hair for my pieces that's going to pop out of my Bantu knots. I really love to use human hair because it doesn't tangle as much as the synthetic hair, and it doesn't mat as fast. So I am using human hair in this video. As you can see, I am wrapping my Bantu knot around and around, and at the end I'm going to tuck it at the base, going in, trimming up my human hair to give it some shape and some form. Oh yeah, y'all, so I added about 4 strands to each braid for my Bantu knot so that I can have a good amount of human hair popping out of my Bantu knots. It all depends on how much hair you want to pop out of your Bantu knot, so you be the judge on how many strands you add to your plait. Make sure you wax stick that bang, y'all. Wax stick that bang. You're going to flat iron it. You're going to comb it to give it a good blend. I cut my bangs. That's my ponytail hanging. It's so beautiful. Y'all like and subscribe for more tutorials to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you all for watching, and I will have more tutorials to come.